Today I'm going to a castle. I get a lot of requests to advise different blockchain projects, like 5 or 10 per week, and I've said no to practically all of them. I have only one active assignment, and that is to Moralis. They're building a programming framework and the infrastructure for building blockchain applications on various chains. The proposition is very similar to AWS, Amazon Web Services, actually. And there are really 3 reasons why they won me over. First, the product is really great. If you program something on blockchain, you know that there's a lot of boilerplate problems that you have to solve before you can do anything, like user accounts and how to figure out events, like if something happens on the blockchain, you want to take some action and so on. It's quite complicated actually, and they've solved all those things. So it is really something that is useful to people here and now. And as you know, many or most blockchain projects, they're not really. Okay, that was another castle. But even more important is the execution capability. If you've been around, you know that Ivan and Philip, they did 1 hour of YouTube content every day, 365 days a year, almost for 4 years straight. Now that I do this myself, I know how difficult that is. And third, they have an ability to reach out. Ivan and Philip themselves are programmers, and through that work they did, they really have a network to reach the other developers in the blockchain community, so they have a chance to get their product out. Now they have flown in most of their staff to a castle here outside Stockholm, Sweden, and I'm going there to make a keynote presentation. And of course, some strategic discussions afterwards. Here he is, the man, the myth.
Tjena, tjena.
Tjena. Good to see you.
Ja, detsamma, samma.
Ni sät.
We're here in Rånäs Castle in Sweden together with the CTO right here. We're gonna do a lot of great things, so stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, smash the like.
Respect the pump. What are you most proud about, Moralis?
Well, it's the people. It's crazy. We're meeting here. It's even better than online. And seeing how we've collected the team together, it's insane.
So, Moralis, what's it good for?
It's the Web3 workflow. You're a developer, you need to connect smart contracts back and front end, and Moralis is your workflow. Fastest way to production.
How fast can you build?
In days instead of months.
Get to market fast in days instead of months. Web3 had the problem, poof, now it's gone. Moralis, serverless, Web3 caps. Build the front end, we'll do the rest. Hey, Moralis, serverless, Web3 caps. No more back end, easy as that. Moralis.
So what's best about Moralis?
Oh, everyone is crazy here. They're passionate about the job. We are trying to build a better infrastructure for the Web3. So life's amazing here. Working here with all the brilliant minds, amazing.
Yeah, it's a nice joint. I could live here. We have the lake over there. Alright, so where are we with Bitcoin price then? Are we getting any castles or not? Okay, I'm looking here at the 3-minute candles on Coinbase and I'm getting some super insights about what Bitcoin will do tomorrow. No guys, I'm kidding. No one knows what Bitcoin will do tomorrow. Even at the 1 hour, you see exactly what's going on. It's just a consolidation here from around 9th of May until today. And if you go back to the daily, we see that much clearer. It is a rectangle here and no one on earth knows in which direction this one is gonna break out. Unless, of course, you yourself have enough money to pump this $10,000 in either direction. Well, then you know what it's going to do tomorrow. But otherwise, guys, this is the time to zoom out. And then we see exactly where we are. After the formidable run-up from May 2020 to April-May 2021, we've been in this range. And right now we're pretty much at the range bottom. Buying a range bottom with a stop loss below is usually a good risk-reward. That doesn't mean that we know that it will bounce here, just that the risk-reward is good. We still have to react based on what actually happens. If this doesn't hold, we'll probably get the chance to test the 20k support instead. But guys, it hasn't broken down yet. So everyone who say that they know with certainty because macro this and macro that, this one is going to 20k, I think that's a garbage take. They have no idea in which direction a rectangle will break out. A rectangle can turn into very strong support if it breaks on the upside. So I still hold my position and I'm going to wait patiently for this range to resolve. Hopefully on the upside, but hope is not a strategy. If that doesn't happen, we take it from there. No one knows what S&P 500 or Nasdaq here will do tomorrow. If there was a wide consensus that it would only be worth half as much in a couple of months, well, then it would be worth that today. And it isn't. So let's be humble instead and react to what actually plays out. If this consolidates nicely here and then turns up, Larson line will turn gold and that's where I will add the rest of my position. If this doesn't work out, well then I cut it. I lose very little and I try again to get in, here or wherever. It's very simple. Alright then, let's go.
A new Moralis employee is coming from JP Morgan to a 9-to-5 job. It's his first day. He's on the beach.
Oh, it's remote work, but my dream finally has come true. Finally, we can have some relaxation. I am a new person.
So here, inside this envelope, we know who won the team activity today.
Cheating, so it's cheating.
Once upon a time you had to build your own dApps. Go find a developer and pay mad cash. Wasting time and money just to build the back end. Worry about scaling up or scaling back. Whack.